For a coil having L is equal to 2 millihenry current flow through, it is I is equal to t² into e raised to minus t, then the time at which EM becomes 0. By EMF formula, modulus of epsilon is equal to L into di by dt. Now given EMF is equal to 0 and L is not equal to 0, that is di by dt is equal to 0. This easy question is difficult for those students who dropped mathematics in 11th 12th. So I explain first derivative. Derivatives are used to find the rate of change of the quantity with respect to the other quantity. किसी बड़े हिस्से की इंफॉर्मेशन दी हो तो हम उस बड़े हिस्से के एक छोटे पार्ट का इंफॉर्मेशन मालूम कर सकते हैं और इस मालूम किए गए डेरिवेटिव को डिफरेंशिएशन कहते हैं। आइए अब डेरिवेटिव को उसूल देखते हैं। डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u इंटू वी इज इक्वल टू u फर्स्ट एस इट इज डेरिवेटिव ऑफ सेकंड dv by dx प्लस v second as it is derivative of first du by dx. Derivative of x raised to n is equal to n x raised to n minus 1. Derivative of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x. Now derivate given I. di by dt is equal to t² first as it is derivative of second e raised to minus t. Derivative of e raised to minus t is minus e raised to minus t plus e raised to minus t second as it is derivative of first t² is 2 t raised to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, that is 2t. di by dt is equal to 0. Cancel e raised to minus t by dividing and divide by t. Power decreased by 1. So we get 0 is equal to minus t plus 2 and t is equal to 2 seconds is our answer.
हाँ कल गुड़िया की